This is how to add payment method in MEXC Global. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to add your bank account for P2P MEXC transactions. You can see this is my MEXC app and this is home. For you to add your bank detail, you click more. Since this is focused towards P2P transactions, you select P2P under asset. You can see P2P. The objective is to add your bank details so that you can easily do P2P transaction for you to buy crypto and for you to be able to sell crypto on MEXC Exchange. You tap this place, your profile, me, tap that. You can see this. You can easily apply to become verified MEXC P2P merchant. Watch this video. It will walk you through step by step of how to become MEXC P2P merchant so that you'll be able to make money doing P2P transactions for people on a daily basis. This can be a full-time job where you make money in dollars with your phone at home. So to add your bank account, you scroll down. You can see payment method. You select payment method. You can see P2P payment method. When selling cryptos, the added payment method will be shown to buyers as one of your accepted payment methods. Please make sure the name of your payment account matches your verified name on MEXC. It is very important you note this. Ensure that the name of the account you are adding to MEXC Global is the same as your verified name on this platform. And you can add up to 10 payment methods as at the time of this video. So to do that, you tap add payment methods. For fiat, that is, you select the local currency in your country. I'm in Nigeria. I will click here to select NGN. You select NGN. You select payment method. You'll be able to select bank transfer. The list of banks in your country will show up here. You'll be able to select your bank listed here. Irrespective of your country, the list of the banks in your country will show up here. So you choose one. After you must have selected payment method, you input your bank account detail and you click add. You have to authorize this with your authenticator to be sure you are the one adding your own account number on MEXC Global platform. You authorize that and you click yes. You can see I've successfully added my bank account detail, and you can add as much as 10 as at the time of this video. So this is how to add your payment method, which is your bank account detail, for P2P transactions on MEXC Global platform.